I should have started before the bell. You feel me? I was right here though. You feel me? I was right here, way before the bell. But anyway, self-winding. This Audemars, I ain't gonna lie. This probably like one of my favorite Audemars. Just because they don't have the little three different other. I forgot what they call them. Show y'all quick. Never mind. Hold on. What's these called? It got the three other dials, not dials, the times, whatever you want to call it. This right here, boom, straight like that. Feel me? I like these, but I ain't gonna lie. I feel like they just look good on a Rolex. I ain't gonna lie. But hell yeah. It be nasty. They got the green dial. I want to say white gold. You know, they ain't calling it silver. Steel. Okay, they calling it steel. But yeah, hell yeah. NVIDIA, bro. Let's talk about NVIDIA, bro. I didn't get any NVIDIA shares. I felt like that would have been FOMO. That would have been. It wouldn't have been. What do you call it? It wouldn't have been a great buy opportunity for me. The day I should have brought was last Friday. That was the perfect day to buy. The video was technically at its lowest to buy during these last few days, because market had a gap up come Tuesday. So the day to buy was last Friday, and I didn't buy. I didn't buy. Should I have brought? More than likely. Will I be looking for it next time and looking for opportunities like that next time? Most definitely. You feel me? But I'm not I'm not worried about it. It's not like I can care less, but I can care less. I ain't gonna lie. Like I'm not. It's like it's not hurting me. You feel me? Like I still my money. You feel me? Money's in my pocket. You feel me? I'm sitting on cash. You feel me? So I'm you feel me? I'm Gucci. You feel me? I ain't. I'm not. I feel like it's chasing it, bro. Make a long story short, you feel me? If I would have got filled, it would have felt like I'm chasing it. So that's how I felt about that. But again, if the opportunity presents itself again, more than likely I'd be ready for it. I mean, I literally said, I literally was looking at AMD.
Like off that 368. Market's fell another 592 here.
But yeah, I was literally talking about AMD and how they hit on their earnings, and I just felt that. I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody knew the video was gonna hit. I didn't get filled. Oh well. You feel me? I'm not tripping about that shit. Just like UNH, my nigga. Look how many people. You think a lot of folks can buy UNH? Like, as low as it is right now, the option contracts is high as the option contracts are high as hell. They are $300. It's $300 to earn to own one share. Let me go to UNH. $300 to own one share. You feel me? I'm pretty sure they even went lower. I think they was like at 328 maybe, if I'm mistaken. Let me see. What was they? There was something. Let me see right fast. No. That was at 300. That was at 300. Like 315, but yeah, definitely at 300. You feel me? That was in that 300 range. But a lot of folks can't buy a lot of shares of UNH. They probably can buy like only 1 or 2 shares of UNH and probably one contract for like a leap or swing. You feel me? But I'm not worried about that. You feel me? It's gonna be a million more UNHs that's gonna drop. It's gonna be a million sectors that's gonna rotate. Like, I'm just getting started, fam. Like, literally. Like, I'm not even... Like, next month, I think on the 21st, make a year, like, that I've been actually looking at this shit. And I deadass feel like I'm, like, understanding this shit, like, day by day, literally. Swear to God. Like, I feel like I'm getting better and better and better and better. Like, I can see it when I back test, literally. On God, I literally can see it. So, I don't... You feel me? None of this shit ain't shaking me, bro. Like... Oh well, okay, I didn't. Feel me? No Nvidia shares. I'll be alright. Shit, niggas seen the video at 109. Why the fuck they didn't long the video at 109? You feel me? Why the fuck they ain't long the video at fucking 115? You feel me? That was like probably a month ago. You feel me? So like, I don't give a fuck about no earnings. I been knew they had earnings.
Really
Like,
strong. That's the
you feel me? I ain't worried about that shit. Yeah, I'm telling you, cause the FOMO, bro. FOMO gonna eat a lot of niggas up, but
Yeah,
me.
SPY closing right at the mid.
But me, I ain't gonna lie, fam. Like I swear to God, like I did feel like I can spot when I'm feeling that FOMO. Like I can spot when I'm feeling revenge trading because I did it one time before. Like I know what it feels like. You feel me? So I ain't worried about that shit. Like nigga, I'm a profitable ass trader. Like a young profitable trader. Like nigga, I'm destined in this shit. Literally, bro. Like I ain't even gonna say no more, fam. You know, I ain't even gonna say no more. It just, you feel me? I'm gonna just put the work in and let my results speak for themselves. You feel me? No cap. Like I literally wasn't even on Thinkorswim. Probably what a month or two ago. I was still using Robinhood. Got on Thinkorswim. I'm learning. I'm still learning the platform. I ain't gonna say I got it down to a T, but you feel me? I damn sure know how to. I know how to navigate it. You feel me? But I'm not. I already got it in my head. It's like tunnel vision with this shit, bro. I literally wake up every morning and do this shit. Literally, bro. Like, I'm that in this shit, bro. I feel like if a nigga started the same day I started, I feel like I'm way farther than him. You feel me? So I be feeling like I'm not doing enough. You feel me? I feel like I don't even do enough, bro. But it's all good. I can't spill all the beans. Can't let y'all know all the plans. But I can see it. Y'all ain't feel me. Y'all niggas saying this shit. I ain't gonna lie. Like yesterday was choppy as hell. I took one trade. I closed my what's the name? I closed everything. Rab signal another trade. Meta. You feel me? It went up. You feel me? It went up like 20%, whatever. I was looking at it, I was like, should I get in? Then I looked over, I'm like, bro, I only got OBS open. Feel me? I ain't even gonna try to chase it, cause feel me, that ain't me. Like that's like, if you can keep your money in your pocket and you can get in on something, you know you gonna know why you lost. Let's say that, bro. You gonna know why you lost. You feel me? Like I'm not chasing shit, bro. I'm not chasing nothing. That's how motherfuckers lose. FOMO. I can literally. I feel as if I can spot FOMO in myself, like when I'm trading, bro. Like real shit, like, cause I literally, I can open this book right here, and, like, look at this shit, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? Like, like nigga, like, it ain't like, bro. I know, like, all them red trades that I didn't had in the past. I know why I lost. I wasn't holding. Like, that's something. I'm getting better at every fucking day. Bro, that 30% coming. Fuck 20%. That 30% coming. You feel me? That 30% coming, bro. Like, I'm watching price, bro. You feel me? This shit gonna work, man. Cause I'm gonna make it work. I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm gonna make it work. For real. Like, real shit, bro. Like, it's a lot of some traits, bro. You just can't teach, and I know it. I swear to God. You just can't teach them. You can't teach everything, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You can't teach everything, bro. It's just like that. Just like that, bro. You hear me? The Wall Street Journal. I didn't even know this shit was produced. This shit is literally this book in my hand, right? And this shit says the Wall Street Journal. Dow Jones and Company Incorporation. Like, bro. Like, bro. Like, bro. Y'all niggas talking to me. You feel me? Y'all niggas talking to me, my nigga. Y'all niggas talking to big mink, nigga. Like, forever. For real. I ain't even trying to humble this shit up. For real. Alright, bro, I don't give a fuck about no fucking Nvidia shares, bro. Cause just what if they would have fucking missed on their shares, my nigga? I mean, on their earnings.
It's loading Meta 655 calls. Loading does not mean enter.
You feel me? Like, I should have done it. Already had Meta on this bit. I ain't gonna say what I'm doing till after I do it. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. Let me see Meta. I like Meta. Bouncing off that 200. Let's see how this close. I don't gotta zoom in all the way either. Bro, I stay copying and pasting it. That's a habit. I literally can just, I could literally just scroll down one more and just add it to my, what's the name? Can I delete this? Yes. Yes. So I only got one watch list. Oh, can I change the name?
You got filled on some starters, guys. On Meta, 655 calls. My average is 353.
See, look. Nigga geeking.
My risk is going to be 647-ish. Okay? I want to see this hold here. We can build on this position if we can get a 650 plus decline.
Let's see. The video strong as hell. I'm up 7%.
Under demand on SPY, but we're holding demand on Goose right now. If SPY can reclaim 592, we should see a rip.
I want this candle to flip, bro. Flip and rip. Flip and rip. Flip and rip.
But let's see what happens.
It could go. It's at like 8% right now. $14. I'm literally gonna risk this candle low. I'm gonna use that as my stop. I'm sitting at 13 right now. Let's go. 15 right now. Come on, 20%.
I'm taking a trim here at 11% here, guys.
I took a trim at last I saw was 12.
Because we're approaching that 650. Just taking a trim. That 648 is going to be now our risk. Okay, 647-ish to be honest, to 647.
Ain't gonna lie. I coulda let me, you feel me? I'm saying this for me, right? Just watch it, bro. Just watch it, bro. Just watch it. Just watch it. Just watch it. You feel me? Green is green. You feel me? Up 12%. I took profit. I listened to. You feel me? I ain't gonna say they be throwing me off, but I do be taking heed to what they be saying. Just like how Rap said, he took trims. I just gotta remember, like, you feel me? building, just build, compound. You feel me? Straight like that. That's all. Compound. Don't you feel me? It's coming though. It's coming. I can feel it. It's in my hands and in my brain as well. But it all come down to the actions. So like this candle want to close below this 200. It's all good. Shit. I'm not in no more. I really should have took trims at 15%. You feel me? But again, I was targeting 20%. I want to see that 20, but it's gonna happen. I want to see Qs bounce off that level or hold it, or both.
I want to see the 647 hold here, guys. Okay, so if this holds and does a reclaim of 648, I'll get back in with full size.
Let's see, because I still got the same cons loaded.
This candle basically needs to flip here.
Meta like that. I can't even lie. Meta is like that. Meta like that. Meta is like that. The video ranging. Where's Apple? Apple at 202. Apple some shit. Can't lie. As of right now. Amazon. What is this? Yesterday highs? Let's see. Market flip right here. Look at this, like some consolidation. Every time I see consolidation, I always see a flag. I don't know why. I'm getting better at that shit.
Okay, I'm watching the 5-minute on SPY. Q's just tapped demand. This is the first tap of QQ major demand.
I don't really trade Google no more.
But it does.
I probably traded Google like one time.
That's the holding really well.
Never traded it again.
Alright, this is the flip here, guys.
I'm
Keep the cons ready.
still looking, finger on the trigger. Let's see.
Once I know this is defined, I'll define my size here. I just need to see a reclaim of 647.50-ish area.
We're 750. So that's almost like the top of that candle. Near the top of the candle. Let's see. This I ain't gonna lie, this is where I wanted Meta to bounce off of, either 649 or 646. So let's see. Let's see. I wanted that push to 20, bro. Literally. Come on. Let's see.
Alright, guys, I've added to my position. I've completed my size on this as well. My average is 313. Okay. Stop is going to be at 646. Basically a $1 risk from here. So size accordingly.
So literally this level. So I'm fine.
Whatever this low of this candle is. This candle has to flip here. I basically got the same size that I had before.
Come on, bro. We long in support, man. All every day, all day. Let me get over here with it. Finger on the trigger. Down like like 7%. Let's see. I sold.
NVIDIA's off that one. We make it NVIDIA today.
Yeah.
Mike, what's your level of NVIDIA?
This should be our max risk, guys, at around 13% now. Okay, so right here. This has to be here. Okay, this has to flip. Keep your finger on the trigger.
Brad, I have 139 or 137.
139. That's your fib level, right? 139.
Yeah.
Bro, this shit going lower, bro. Fuck all that, bro. Fuck all that. This shit going lower. Not it, bro. It's not. It's nowhere near a bad read, though. You feel me? It's nowhere near a bad read. Let's see.
I think Meta is just waiting for SPY.
Down 15% here on this. 13%. Okay, that should be our max risk, guys. 15%. Okay, that candle low. It has to flip here. If it doesn't flip here, nothing's gonna go anywhere. So this has to be.
I want to
I
get
think it's
back
gonna
in,
work.
bro. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see if we reclaim 647.
Market's now finally starting to get some base built here on Qs and SPY.
Why is this out the
Let's
fucking
see.
15?
I think the ranges on SPY are pretty thin.
Let's see.
Still, the selling is not as intense as. It's probably gonna get a dead cat here. So
Yeah, I think we get a big cat. At least you know your risk at least.
yeah.
Yeah, I think it's good. I think more, to be honest.
Okay, I'm down only 8%. Okay, this is a flip here, guys.
Alright, I got it.
And,
I'ma just
well.
use. I'm using this as
Let's
stop
see.
counter low.
Come on, we can flip this green candle here. We go to VWAP. That if it breaks 650, this will be our big trade for the weekend. And down only 5%. This is the 647. There's SPY here, nice.
It's SPY and Qs
592.
both bouncing. And I'm like, what am I doing? I'm like literally watching. Like look at my own stuff. Yeah, Amazon. You can trade Amazon. Amazon's back at the band too. Amazon and Meta the same charts today.
Look at that candle on the video. Hopefully it close up there. The video
Amazon's
love giving
nice.
out
Yeah.
winners.
But
Yeah.
SPY 1 2 should rip.
It should rip. It's mostly just Qs had to find that level. That was at like 521 on Qs, 522. Yeah, Amazon was actually quite nice, off to a 650. But this is key though now, is we don't want to see 592 reject.
We just gotta keep going.
Yeah, like you don't want to see it. Yeah.
We just need to go on.
Just staying patient. That's all I can do. I can look at this shit all day. I can't make the candle go up. Come on, bull and golfer. Come on. Go crazy.
I'm sure a lot of them added as well. Into your level at 646.
There was a trim and then I said that I'm gonna add some stuff like that. So if they didn't, that's just
Yeah.
I wasn't even looking at the tape. I should have been looking at the tape. Off that level.
If 592 reclaims today, we can see equal move back.
Look at SPY.
Price.
SPY has to close. It has to close up there. It has to. Look at the wick on the video. Let's go. It has to go. What Raph be saying, it has to go.
Next candle is important.
I'm liking that candle on spot. I'm liking that candle on spot to reclaim a 592. Ish. I feel like we make out the bottom. Let's do it.
Yeah, I'm just watching guys.
Let's go. Come on.
582 type.
Well,
This may be it. Just has to push through. 592 has to push.
Come on, get above 592.
the back green here, guys. If you're scared, get outside if you want. My risk is still going to be that 646.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
See, it's all about timing. Honestly, it's not bad. Oh my god. Why is just great?
It's pretty good.
I'm up 5. These contracts, yeah. Let's go reclaim. Nice. Kind of rejecting.
Are you green, right? You probably miss a green.
And it went green. I uploaded some sites as well, so
Yeah.
that's full back at back.
Yeah, that's good. Because now we're in the danger zone. It's by 592. This is where things can get dangerous. See what happens here though. 592 must be.
That's the thing though, it has to just shrug it off and go. It can't
Yeah.
like leave it close again.
Yeah.
It does if this candle close red, then everything is gonna sell.
I got my finger on the trigger.
That's why I was asking if you took some profits. The 592 is so spooky.
Bro, why is this shit so delayed? Why is this shit so delayed?
If this can
What's the
reclaim,
for me? Okay, 646 touch the ball now for me.
if this candle wicks and reclaims 592, I'm going long. It's fine.
Because this is the classic VWAP trade that can happen.
Yeah. But it's actually okay for it to reject first, as long as it forms a low here above its previous low. If it can form a low somewhere around 590.8 here, which it is right now.
Honestly, that is what we want to see.
Yeah.
We want to see the obvious levels reject first.
Yep. Exactly. But let it reject first, let it form base here, and then if it can reclaim 592, we can go long. And pretty much every name will work long. Amazon, Meta, Qs, whatever you're watching.
Let's see what happens.
Let's see, I'm down like 11. You feel me? I ain't crying. I ain't crying for shit. I ain't crying, nigga. What the fuck? I'm down 10%.
Yes, New Geeks, you saw that. Jensen selling $800 million. I think it's actually $900 million. I think the number was $900 million. I think they're working off of old numbers there. But he sold about $900 million worth of stock today.
Come on, let's go. Enough playing around market
A
maker.
good day to take some profit on the video.
646 is holding.
This is
Come
exactly what I
on,
want to
come
see.
on, come on, come on.
Suppose 647. Come on, this candle just needs to flip green and like rip. Contract decays are happening. We're down 10% on these contracts, guys. But I want to see this. If this flips, we can actually add also. But I wanna wait and see what this candle does. So this is the testing candle. If we can get the direction right here, we should be good. But 646 is my response now.
Let's do it.
No
Come
matter
on.
what.
We're going back up, bro.
Unloaded contracts.
Doji.
I want to see this hold no matter what now.
Nice. Meta just paused.
See what happens. This candle's important. That's why.
The hotel just called me and said, "Don't be alarmed if you hear fighter jets."
All right.
They're doing an air show. Honestly, I'm glad they did that because I may have been freaked out.
Nah, that would be fucking crazy.
So this is pending home sales.
This shit be funny as hell. Like, come on, silly price.
For bulls now on SPY, we have to hold 590.7.
This has to flip. The previous candle has to flip. It has
Yeah.
to go up.
If they can engulf that candle, 592, that's an obvious long now. And it should go in highs.
Almost back to green here again on my deck. So you guys know the risk, guys. Again, this is very difficult to execute at the morning. So, you gotta be quick. You gotta do everything. Doing the best I can to signal you guys every play I take.
No, hell, I'm definitely writing this shit down. Cause I was up a significant amount. And I got back in and broke even. So let's see.
Just has to go. If it doesn't go, we'll just have to accept the risk. Come on, just flip.
It's kind of wild. SPY has to just go.
There are sellers around at 592. They're trying to keep it down, but we have to claim that. We have to reclaim that.
That's Rav's famous words. You, the guy says if it's gonna go here.
Yeah, you laugh, but that's how the market is, bro.
No, I know.
Yeah, that nigga dead ass for
All
real.
about timing.
Yeah, I'm fucking crying.
So QQQ's back at that demand low here, 592. SPY is struggling off that 522.
Also, that shit wake me out. Holy shit.
Wonder what that was. Was it data?
No, we already had data.
This is the long spot, bro. This is the long spot, bro. This is the long spot, bro.
Hey, look. Finger on the trigger guide. I might just exit this. Holding this current low here, but
You can look at this
Well,
shit.
I'm
This
out of
shit,
meta game.
shooting star. I ain't
Meta.
gonna lie, gang.
I don't know what that was.
Fuck around, should have pulled one of these. Yo, I'll be back. Ain't gonna lie, when this shit was forming, bro. Oh my god, I ain't gonna lie. I kind of seen it. Maybe it bounced off 643. That was my next long opportunity on Meta. But when I seen this doji, I kind of seen evening star. Did I say shooting star? I meant to say evening star. But anyway, this candle form red. The next candle form red. And look what this candle is doing. You feel me? I literally be saying this shit literally. But it's all good. Just had a long bias. I possibly ain't gonna lie, fam. I possibly should have just flipped biases like real strong. I ain't gonna lie. Like I dead ass should have dead ass flipped biases. Real. Now look at SPY. SPY is at 589. That's insanity. The video 139. Like we just gotta see. We just gotta see.
But it has to happen.
But hey, you feel me? I ain't tripping. Fucking Rav got out at 21%, negative 21% at that. So
This is the SPY level up. Let's see what happens in SPY.
and those contracts, yeah, real contract DK. Them contracts are down from 2 something, I think, to like 1. So they went down a whole $1. That's crazy.
L's and SPYs are 589 and then 586. I would be surprised if we see the reaction on 589.
I'm looking at it, fam. I'm looking at it, bro. I literally seen this, bro.
This is 6900.
But I was just believing, bro. But Price didn't want to go higher. Price did not want to go higher. I ain't gonna lie. But you feel me? It's good it's good to take losses. You feel me? It's always, you feel me? You gonna take losses in this shit. But I'm literally looking at it still right now because I literally see this shit. Like I literally see this shit. Even the star all day long. Once this candle form red, I really should have got out once that candle form, which I did, and then now look at what Meta's doing. So let's see if it bounce off that 643. That was my next long opportunity. But you can't be mad. I can't wait to go back and look at what I just did. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. You feel me? Come tomorrow and come the day after that and the day after that and the day after that. It's 20+% every trade. That part.
So 589's starting to hold here. My problem still is that Q's chart. Like that's like my bias this morning was like understanding 522, 521 was a level.
You might get a video.
Yeah, I don't know. I think the grain is still down now. There's a lot of people got bagged into that 592 retest.
Hold on.
The video 137. That's just a nice overextension trade.
I mean, I either have it bouncing here or 137, 139 or 137.
To answer your question, Rick, I don't like any long on Qs right now. If you're gonna long anything, I would just do what Rob said. Look for longs above on strength, above 590 if you get a reclaim. But on Qs, I would not touch longs. Doesn't matter. As long as they're under 522, I would not long Qs.
I'm not sure about SPY yet though.
Nah, definitely ain't gonna lie.
Man.
I ain't gonna lie. I definitely gotta look back at this shit. You feel me? This is a damn sure improvement day. Cause it's an improvement day. You feel me? Like I can't get mad. I literally can't get mad because I know what I'm capable of. Like.
Why is the close to selling for $10 since the pre-market high state?
Yeah.
It has to be a liquid. Even for shots, we need like a bounce here from liquid. I think they're gonna just reclaim it. I think they're gonna reclaim it. With initial game way too down and not a lot of selling on this participation. So if they buy and reclaim, they would cause the short squeeze.
Which level? 590 or 592?
590 is early. If they ideally they want to give a reject there, and then they need to take 592. 591, 592. But right now there's like no trade we can take. It's just you gotta just wait for it to happen. I'd rather take it on momentum.
I'm thinking about that 12% now. Hey, I'm thinking about that 12% now.
You can tell like Microsoft holding that 456, Meta's holding 643.
Facts.
Yesterday's level. Netflix is close to 1180. They're all like finding to that demand.
But it's looking like it wanting the meta looking like it's wanting to find support.
I think it's too heavy. I think right now it's too heavy as well. Let's see what happens.
But this shit just selling off. I ain't gonna lie.
But
it's the exact same level as yesterday. Let's see.
Facts, bro. Facts. I literally seen this shit touch the same shit yesterday.
Right now, baby, I'm broken. Some of you guys gotta change your names. But right now we're at support. This is support right now. 589 support. This was literally what we went long yesterday's session.
Look at meta.
This level is 586.
I like how the market is at 589 and fucking the video is at 140. Like, bro, I'm crying. Bro, this is the long spot, bro.
$643 bounce, is that what happened? 643.
I do like that it can take 646 again, but for that to happen, SPY also is going to play out. Both needs to happen. I think we'll see that.
That's another thing, bro.
Reclaim trades on Microsoft and Meta, possible. But we'll see if my SPY idea plays out. It has to just go. Again, I keep saying that, but if it's going to happen, it will happen quick and fast. The longer it stays and it just has to go. It is going to play out.
The one thing I don't like why they just can't keep it on one side. Add blank to watch list.
Level there, do a 650.
Let's see. Start fresh.
That looks like it may do it. Probably not the top here.
I have a strong feeling because that was not a long heavy time. That's the thing. If they break under current lows, maybe it will become a day. But right now, it's still 50-50. And then this could easily become a squeezing move. If,
People want this shit to go
doing
lower.
early on here. We'll see. We'll know in like 5, 10, 15 minutes.
Bro, that shit keep dropping. It's over with. Fuck that bottle.
What's your thoughts on the video? I mean, the video right now, it probably trends lower into. Right now, it's at demand, but if we move to next demand, 137, that's where I would expect. That's where I would think this goes to at some point. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow.
Price straggling on SPY.
It is a level here, though, 139, but it's just following the market. Right now, SPY still looks like it wants to structure lower, so that's just my read, though. I think my read is, like, as long as we're under, just with the EMA, is 0.59, 0.5.
Is there a trade you're watching?
I mean, not really, though, honestly. If I see, like, a nice impulse candle higher and we see, like, a reclaim the EMA, I go long on SPY. That I would like, overextensions out of trade.
I'm looking at this shit, bro. This shit looking like puts, bro. I can't even lie.
Obviously, it's very far away.
Straight P's across the board, man.
The video, overextension, 137.
Stop loss right here, but it's, I'm gonna say above this candle wick just to be.
I do agree,
safe.
though. If I see SPY reclaim, like,
I want to see how this
like
closes.
the
Let's
same,
see.
like 950 candle we get now, I would take it long and use the stop on our lows.
See, they gave the 590 reject here, but there is a sign. Now they just have to take it out.
Okay.
I want to calculate 20% this way. Let's see.
I'm right.
Because today's session, I was very quick off, and I just had the wrong, I had the
Break
right
the low.
bias, but just the wrong level. Today's session, I'm just kind of waiting for me to get really confirmed, and I'll just take a trade. Let's see.
What is this fine support at if it go lower? 586. My next level.
Yeah, it's 589.
Fuck all that, nigga. I'm gonna load the puts. I'm gonna just keep my hands in my pants, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Let me just stay on that.
Guys,
look.
I'm gonna load 589, 180, 5 calls. Loading does not mean I'm done. This candle reclaims 589, I'll just enter with a stop at 588.50. Okay? That's my goal. 50 cent risk.
Holy shit. Yeah, let me see. I really want to see how this play out. I believe SPY go lower, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Look like in the video they made a lower high. Damn, ain't even make a lower high. Well, technically, but I thought this candle printed green-ish. Not really. Not at all. Look at Meta. Meta's ripping down. Yeah, I feel like they just damn near trapping calls. Definitely trapping calls today.
What is the trade idea behind saying the calls and going against the trend? Is it because of the band zone? Yeah, I mean, market on the hourly is still very much so bullish. This is just a little bit of a pullback, kind of similar to yesterday's session.
Just love how it's three of these
Market
niggas.
looks heavy.
Only one of them talked to the chat, bro.
Why did we go long yesterday at 589?
Necessarily. Except you,
Mr.
Mr. Ramon.
Hourly uptrend. Right now, market's selling off. It's kind of heavy intraday.
Yeah, I probably just wait. Ain't gonna lie.
Yeah,
I
if
feel
you
like
were to short today, the best short.
shut up, nigga. But I feel like I could possibly catch something after hours. Like when I say after hours, I mean like past 12 o'clock type shit. Ain't gonna lie. Cause that's where the move comes. And I'm looking at it, bro. Them niggas still be trading. They still be trading, bro. Yeah. I haven't really. Only time I did it was probably like one time, and I did it twice. I did it one. I traded. Let me rephrase myself. My bad for being indirect, but I traded after hours after I won, and then traded two instruments twice, and that really wasn't. It wasn't smart. It wasn't smart. But feel me, if I lose, I lose. I know to just walk away. Feel me? That's what come with this shit, bro. That's why I love this shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, cause if you can't control your emotions, all that good shit, you ain't gonna be fired this shit. For real. Somebody get failed. What the fuck happened?
So let's see. This is exactly where SPY held yesterday. Almost to the same thing.
I don't think Scribe got your entry risk.
589 calls, 352 average. 1DD.
He can have it. I ain't gonna lie. I just don't see the potential in it. I don't. You feel me? Prove me wrong. I love to learn. Always, forever. But a lot of this shit just look wonky as hell. I want to try something. I ain't gonna lie. I seen somebody with this layout. Yeah, that's a different layout. I ain't gonna lie. This joint different. You can just see price more vertical. It ain't too shabby though. I ain't gonna lie. Will I use it? I'll probably have to get used to this shit. I'll probably have to get used to this. But I ain't gonna lie, I like them boxes. My fault, I ain't gonna lie. That shit got me feeling. Hell no, let me stop fucking with that shit. Alright, my nigga Rav down there up 17%. I'm definitely looking for this shit on the meta. Shit, we are at the bottom, so shit, it would be considered a bull in golfing. But I want to see how the next candle close on meta, and I want to see this spot close above 590. So let's see. I still got meta calls loaded, so. Shit look like Christmas for real, man. All they got red and green, man. What the fuck?
It's fine.
Oh shit! Look at the cues. Reversal candle. Let's see. I feel like we would get some upside. The video is holding this level is 139. That's nice. You feel me? Using these shits as confirmation, confluences.
Join the party? I just did. I literally just joined. But my average is far worse, but I'm risking just under that candle low. I don't want to destroy you guys' averages on this, but it does look good. Just has to push out that previous candle high now, 590.3. This is now down from breaking.
18% return.
Let's see. I'm still sitting on my hand.
There's a 20% plus, right?
There you go.
Sniper.
22% guys. Manage on your own. So it's possible and right? So there's like 1:4 is to what we're already. Now we just need to take 3 gas and it does 592 and stuff. But
Look at me. Fuck on me.
we'll see.
Look at me. Alright. Nigga ain't heard this song in so long. No way this song came out 2015.
Microsoft, whatever mine.
See, but everything I'm at it. Hey,
You guys are watching my YouTube video, I told that 456 level, pretty cheap, 456, 458. So that we get out of the whole cost. By 89.30 will be my first stop guys. So basically around, we'll get out green on us.
this shit looking like shit from yesterday.
40 seconds.
What the fuck?
Hopefully, it will.
I'll tell you what.
It's also like QQQ level at 5.2, at 521.50 now. Has to replay there too.
The video's still holding strong though. That's interesting.
Or maybe just swinging that, but putting in a higher low now. 589.40.
Higher low. Lower low, lower highs. Higher low. Oh, you saying bull. Higher low. High low. if you will. Very trappy on this shit, I ain't gonna lie. Damn, I wonder what type of music X would be making if that nigga was still alive. Like, that's my god. Like, that shit's so crazy.
I'm in 1 days as well, but I have a stop under that body low. I would just stick with what Rav's plan is. I'm just long off that reclaim. I long around 589.90.
I ain't never stopping with this shit, bro.
We're still green, like it's like 11%.
I just realized what the fuck I was doing. Like, that was
I mean,
2018.
let's go get back. Stop, just don't go straight.
They go literally.
You will see like pullbacks and everything. That's why we matter. We have a good entry. Just hold. Follow the
Yo.
plan, not those. 95% of the time it will work. 1% it won't work.
I think it's forming that higher low here.
I hope so. It just needs to go.
If it can push out now that 5.
It has to go now.
Yeah.
The best moves always happen without hesitation, according to your plan. So this is exactly what you want to see. Honestly, I want to see like 593 today, 593, 594. Because
593.
598 or something was the high. Just think about that. 598, $10 risk for 593, $5, 50% of risk, retracement of that at least. If it can take 592, fine, I think it can, it is possible. But 592 would be like golden for us, won't you? If it does happen.
But that body low, that this green candle body low, 589.3, this is the level that SPY has to hold now for momentum. So if you're in long, you just use that as a stop. Doesn't matter what your average is or what contracts you have.
Squeeze this possible to again.
Oh, I see what Brett talking about now. You feel me? High.
But we need to go though, that's the thing.
Need a
From
fucking
here
low
after this
bitch.
base, if we go take 592, I think very, very strong possibility.
I just want VWAP. Give me VWAP. 591.
VWAP is 591, yeah, I love VWAP too.
See, look. The video start giving back. Buyer start buying it up on the video. Look at the cues.
I really like this now. It just has to push that candle out. Come on. Saquon, that is the downside of live trading. That's the downside, right? That's why you guys should be using this to learn. And you can trade off your own levels, right? And use us for extra conviction, be biased, right? But the goal is not long term.
Fuck no.
Right?
Bro.
It's by rejecting the same area.
I would stop using these niggas in 6 months. Probably less than that, bro. I want to say 3. No cap. Fuck around tomorrow. I just need to listen to none of these niggas for real. I need to listen to my intuition, man. What the fuck?
I think we'll get some like nice action on Friday. I think they're gonna give us like they gave us 2 good price action on Tuesday. That was the problem.
Bro, that was the only good price
on
action was
Tuesday.
fucking Tuesday.
Throw a couple traps out, few bear traps on Wednesday and Thursday.
Tuesday, Friday.
Yeah,
For the
Friday was
easy
good too.
days.
Yeah, Friday was good too.
My nigga Mike in Europe or some shit right now. My nigga out here. I ain't gonna lie, fam. Like, nigga, how can you stop with this shit, bro? How? If niggas stop with this shit, they don't want it. Straight like that, bro. They don't want it. They don't want it. It don't matter how much money you bringing in. It don't matter. You don't want it, bro. You don't want it.
Yeah, Tuesday was good.
Tuesday was just Tesla, and Rev took Apple. Yeah, Tesla and Apple. Easy trades.
I took Meta off of 637, I think, and spanked it for puts, and it was a call day. Crazy. Shit fell to make a higher high. That's crazy.
So I also looked back at those FOMC minutes days, and for whatever reason, those FOMC minutes days have been notoriously choppy. Like,
Contract pricing also wasn't great. It was so bad.
yeah, but it's like absolute anomaly. It's like FOMC minutes isn't even that big of a data release, but those minutes releases have been like some of the worst price action days.
Yeah.
Okay, keeping higher high. Hello.
But SPY looks good though.
Fine. Maybe $1 more, honestly. I'm not even asking a lot.
Fuck. I missed the entry for real. She got fit off that candle.
Yeah, they're up like 13-14% still.
I'll be alright.
I would say I'd like to get a Meta, but since they're already in SPY, it's fine. Meta, Microsoft, they're all valid.
There's Amazon today. I mean, I look, I wouldn't. Other than miss lunch at Amazon. I think we're gonna get it good though, Raf. Come on.
I'll give her another entry. I wouldn't even worry about this shit. The contract that went up like 30 cents. That's nice.
Did you get ELF shares in April? No, I didn't, Dan, but you're getting a buyout, right? ELF is getting a buyout. I think it's $1 billion buyout. I wonder how much that is per share.
What?
Let me check that.
From a makeup company?
It's a makeup company, yeah. It's
It'll be
Oh wait, no, hold on a second. I'm doing it. I'm reversing it. ELF is buying out another company. It's not. Hold on. I think it's ELF is buying out a big company.
Delivering road, right?
Yeah. You took the Monday's highs retest on. Nice shot, man. Good trade, Miguel. That's exactly what I was watching for as well. 206, 206.50. That was the trade today. I'm surprised they moved that much though. It's actually not bad for that move.
I just found out yesterday niggas dead ass trade PLTR, bro. I never knew that. Please load. I gotta see this shit.
Come on.
Double bottom.
Trip to be that.
Bro, this shit, Mr. Consolidation. What the fuck? Fuck no. Train no PLTR.
I just keep boxing this area.
Nigga, fuck SPY. Nigga, fuck all this shit. I'm trolling like a bitch.
That's to hold 589.60. That's the level I sold now.
What the fuck is this on my screen? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. What is that on my screen? That's crazy. That's crazy.
Like that NVIDIA 139 actually worked pretty well as well.
Man. I'm finna catch me something. Like a 20%er. Break retest. This was the entry. Off of this candle. What the fuck? I'm thinking too much. I ain't even gonna do it. I'm finna close this shit, yo. I lost what I lost today, bro. I'm done with this shit. I ain't gonna lie, cause I'm thinking too much, bro. You feel me? Like, thinking way too much, bro. But if I do trade, I'll trade later on in the day. Fuck y'all.